this is the wire we'll be using today. It's 18 gauge oxygen-free copper wire. We'll cut a small segment with our first tool, the wire stripper cutter combo. It has little grooves that allow you to strip wires and a cutter that allows you to cut wire. After you cut off a piece, you can take a piece and strip it with the strippers set to the proper gauge setting. And if you have any loose strands like this, you can clean them up with a pair of side cutters. Since this is stranded wire, it's important to twist it to ensure that it stays together. And then, before we solder it to our pad, we'll first tin it with solder. When you tin something, you add a little bit of solder to it so that you can solder it to something else easier later without adding a bunch of solder.